So hello guys. In this video I will show you 12 FL Studio tips and tricks. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe my channel, turn on bell notification, give a like to this video, and drop a comment below. First trick, copy and paste. Select the notes you want to copy, and press Ctrl+C for copying, and go to the pattern where you want to paste, and press Ctrl+V for pasting. Second trick, quick arpeggio. Press Alt+A. Third trick, quick velocity change. Select the notes for changing velocity, then press Alt+X. Now you can change the velocity of selected notes according to you. Fourth trick, changing beat grid. Fifth trick, flipping notes. Press Alt+Y. Sixth tip, adding marker. Select the portion and press Alt+T. Now you can divide your track in parts by adding markers. You can do this in piano roll also. You can customize these markers by right-clicking on them. Seventh tip, changing pattern look. You can change the look of pattern like this. Eighth tip, making more space. If you have small screen you can do this for getting more space. Ninth tip, changing mixer channel. Press Alt+Left for taking left, and Alt+Right for taking right. 10th trick, quick octave change. Select the notes and press Alt+Up for taking up, and Alt+Down for taking down. 11th tip, changing color. You can change the color of all instruments like this. 12th trick, getting and save project. If you lost your project for some reason, you can do this. Go to File, and click on Revert to Last Backup. This can save lot of your time. Now I got my project which I forgot to save last time.